Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sell a downloadable PDF using your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell a downloadable PDF using ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your audience is going to ask for various checklists or PDF instructions. And if you want to sell it to them, ThriveCart is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sell a downloadable PDF in ThriveCart, first you're going to have to create the product. So here on the top, click on these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Create Product in blue. Here we can go ahead and click on Digital and then create new product. Okay, here you can go ahead and create a product. So if you need help with this, go back and watch my other video that describes it in detail completely. But for this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to create the product. First, we're going to go ahead and name this product. So PDF download. Okay. And then here we're going to make the product status live. That way people can buy it once we're finished. Cart language, I'll leave it in English. And you're basically going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps right here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 steps up here. So processors, I'm going to go ahead and choose my PayPal. This is so your customers can pay for the PDF before they can download it. So I'm going to click activate. Okay, next we're here on pricing. So I'm going to leave it in US dollars. You can change the currency if needed. And here we're going to set up the product price. I'm going to do a one-time fee to download this product. You can choose these other options if you wish. Let's go ahead and sell this PDF for $50. Here, I'm going to go and leave this checked. That way they receive an email with a receipt. And then if you want a limited number of those PDFs, you can set that here. So yes, limit to, let's say only 100 customers can buy this PDF. And next, and then save. Okay, next we're going to move on to order bumps. So this is if you're going to offer something in addition to the PDF as a way to increase your average order value. I'm not going to do that for this video, so I'm going to click next. Bump rules. That doesn't apply unless you had order bumps. So I'm going to click next. Okay, so this is really important. This is how they're going to receive the downloadable PDF. So first you have to enter an email address. This is for any service or questions from your customers. So Anthony@fakemail.com. Okay, so this one is really important. What should happen after your purchase? So when you click in here, you want to go ahead and choose this one, send them to a URL. So what you're going to enter in here for the PDF, you're going to need to enter in your Dropbox link or your Google Drive link to the PDF. So don't worry, they're not going to see the Google Drive or the Dropbox link in the email, because what's going to happen is they're going to get a link from ThriveCart, and you can even set that link to expire. So they're going to have to download this PDF within a week. Otherwise the link is going to change and it's going to break. So let me go ahead and just add Dropbox.com. So this again is going to be your Dropbox or your Google Drive link directly to the PDF so they can download it. So as an overview, what's going to happen is they're going to go to your purchase page. It's going to tell them what kind of downloadable PDF they're buying. After that, they're going to need to make the payment of $50. And then third, after that, they're going to receive a confirmation email. And in that confirmation email, they're going to receive a link so they can go directly into my Google Drive or my Dropbox to download that PDF. So click on next. Okay, here we can go ahead and set up the checkout page. So this is basically your sales page. Click on here and browse gallery. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and choose the checkout page. So I'll use this one and select. Okay, so these are basically like setting up a Facebook page. You just click over it and then it's going to give you this kind of like turquoise polka dot. You can go in there and edit this. Buy my PDF now. And as you can see, they're going to see it's $50 and they can make their payment with whatever payment options you set up. And then after that, you can click up here and click on the success page. So this is after they've made their payment, they're going to see this. So let's say, thanks for your money. Okay. And then down here is going to be the download link. So this is where they're going to be able to download our PDF. So you can go ahead and design these pages as you see fit. And then once you're done, click on complete here on the top right. Okay. After that, you can click here tracking. So if you're going to be adding in your Metapixel or your Google Analytics, you can add that here. And I'm going to click on next. Here, you can go ahead and set up automations to add these people to like your mailing list. I'm not going to do that for this product. And then you're basically done. Now you want to click here, save and get URL. Okay, next it's going to bring you here. So now the link is live. So if you want to sell your downloadable PDF, you can copy this URL and now you can paste it into a Facebook group, into your Instagram, into your YouTube. If you want to see what it looks like, click here, view checkout. Okay, so here is my checkout page. As you see right here, we changed this, buy my PDF now. So they're going to see this page, enter their email address. They're going to go ahead and make their payment right here. They're going to understand that there's a PDF download for $50. They do know that there's only 100 remaining. After they make their payment, it's going to be routing them to the success page where they can go ahead and download their PDF. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sell a downloadable PDF using your ThriveCart account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.